The biggest fight between Samsung and Apple is about to begin. Both Apple and Samsung have spent $1 billion on AI to make this the epic clash. Samsung has already made it clear that the Galaxy S24 series will bring what may be the biggest AI revolution on a smartphone. Galaxy AI is coming to the S24 Ultra, making it the smartest smartphone with features like live call translation, generative chat, AI code assistance, picture creation, and much more. It's safe to assume that Galaxy AI will make the Galaxy S24 Ultra slightly smarter than the iPhone 15 series. What is Apple's major game plan? Well, here is their answer. Apple is planning to bring their biggest AI revolution to iOS 18, according to Apple's most trusted analyst as well as a fresh source, Mark Gurman. Apple is working on an upgraded messaging app with generative AI conversation features, as well as a complete AI-powered Siri. Apple's AI features are also coming to a lot of their built-in applications, including Apple Music, Pages, Keynotes, and many more. With all of this in mind, it is safe to assume that Samsung and Apple are going to engage in a major AI war. Samsung is clearly ahead of Apple because they are about to deliver all of these features on the S24 series, which is expected to be announced on January 17, 2024, whereas a lot of these generative AI features on iOS May 18 be limited to the iPhone 16 models, implying that Samsung is about 8 months ahead of Apple. Also in the news, Samsung has revealed further features of the Galaxy AI experience on the S24 series. Samsung has revealed that its Gauss AI model supports various languages, including English, French, Spanish, Chinese, Korean, and Japanese. Sport will be added to more languages in the future, and Samsung is once again teaming closely with Instagram to bring new features to the S24 family. According to reports, the Galaxy S24 series may enable users to launch the Instagram camera directly from the lock screen. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.